Ever wondered how to make an abstract sketch of a landscape? Whether you paint outdoors or not, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the amount of details in your chosen landscape. So how do you decide what to include and what to leave out? In this video, I want to show you the 3 things I focus on to keep myself on track when I make a loose and abstract landscape sketch. The heather is flowering and I want to capture some of the excitement I feel about the season. I tend to focus on color, contrast and mark making in no particular order. Starting with some pencil marks of some of the textures I observe around me. Early on, I like to establish some dark contrasts too. I'm trying not to overthink the painting process. Instead, I observe the landscape around me and decide what I want to add. In this case, I am totally smitten with the wonderful red-violet tones and decide I want this color to make up the majority of the sketch. The dark wooded area in the distance create a nice dark contrast and an interesting shape, so I want to include that one too. The great thing about this process is that there is no right or wrong. You put down what speaks to you. If you are interested in more tips to loosen up your painting style and adding less details to your paintings, you are welcome to get my free guide called 5 Proven Ways to Loosen Up Your Painting Style. If that's something you're interested in, I will leave a link in the description below. The color and almost atmospheric feel of these grasses fascinate me. So they too will get included in my sketch. My sketch is done and I feel it perfectly captures the way I feel about this place, using color, contrast and mark making. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of sketch, and also I'd love to know if you've tried sketching like this. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.